This doggy had to pretend to be sick every single day, because his little owner dreamed of becoming a big doctor one day. Every day, she would turn him into her patient and treat him in new and different ways, sometimes giving him. Her dad fully supported this sweet dream of hers too, making all kinds of machines for her out of cardboard, sometimes a stethoscope, an injection, sometimes wrapping a bandage, and sometimes checking his heartbeat just like a real doctor would. He would even turn into the nurse himself, sometimes even a whole little hospital. But this doggy was truly a part of her precious dream of becoming a doctor one day, a dream that is bound to come true.